It happened again. I'll be back. I gotta turn the fuse on. Today's video, we have the June Ice Cream Beauty Box for 2025. If you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this worth the money? Keep on watching. Okay, really quickly, today's co-host is Miss Ofra. She's over here knocked out. You might be able to see her paws. I don't know. I just got done doing the ice cream beauty bag, and because we're in the middle of a heat wave, it's literally right now, I just looked before I start filming, 113 degrees, and it's not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon yet. We're in the middle. Jersey's in the middle of a heat wave, and tomorrow's going to be worse. However, as I was filming, the fuse went because I had the AC on. We have window air conditions. I have the lights and all of that. So, and you know I'm a talker.
We know.
Anyway, I don't know what's going to go up first. If you have not seen my ice cream beauty bag, check out that video because Ice Cream Beauty came out with a new subscription. And oh my God, it is gorgeous. I'm telling you, it is that. If I had to pick, I don't even know which subscription I would get, but I would definitely get that subscription. I really would. Okay. This is $25 a month. I do have a code JustAnn, and it will save you some money off if you're interested. I make nothing out of it. It's just for you guys. So for June, the theme is Sun-Kissed Scoops, and you get 5 full-size items. It tells you what everything is, gives you like a description, and gives you a price, which I love.
If you just stop talking.
Let's see what this is because this is wrapped up. I think I know. I think this is from Blue Base Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure because I had got this a long time ago, I think. Yes, because I know the packaging. I really like this brand. I say it all the time now. Every time I get an item from this brand, I love their packaging. I really do. And the components, but the packaging is chef's kiss. Okay, so this is Brush and Mini Sponge Set by Base Blue Cosmetics for $17. I guess these two go together. This is the little sponge. All right, let's open this up. Why am I having... Oh, it's taped.
12 seconds later.
This is so soft. Now, I always tell you guys, anytime I get brushes, I prefer like soft but a little dense. That is just a personal preference, but this is really nice. This feels like a rabbit's tail. I've never felt a rabbit's tail, but I'm sure this is what it would feel like. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, and then you have this little tiny sponge, which I would love for my concealer. Let's open her up. I love that. See how it's pointy? This would be perfect to get right in there for concealer. Don't know about the shape of this, though. I'd have to try it and see. So for these two together, it would be valued at $17. Yeah, I can't wait to try this and just see. Okay, so we have that. Ooh, from Ofra. You guys know I love Ofra so much. I also have a code with them. It's JustAnn in all caps. We'll save you some money off if you're interested in anything Ofra. This is gorgeous. This blush is in the shade Candy Apple, and I don't have this one, I don't think. It is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Just look at that. Okay, so that's going in one time. I'm just going to build it up just so that you guys can see the color because they're definitely buildable. That is gorgeous. Okay. Let's use, now don't do what I'm doing. Always wash your brushes when they're new. Please don't do that because it has dirt and dust and everything. But, you know, for you guys, I'll risk breaking out for because I don't have any makeup on. Well, I have lipstick and eyebrow pencil and a little bit of mascara on the top. That's it, but no like face makeup. Do you see how pigmented the blush is? Oh, goodness. Okay. That is just gorgeous. I love that. I still think I preferred like the more bubblegum pink for my complexion, but this is beautiful. I love this. Okay. Okay. And this is $29. Again, use my code JustAnn for Ofra and you save some money off. I think it's like 20% off. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, what is this? You guys know I love me some Chauncey. And we have two. Okay, what you be? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. This is the Multichromes palette by Charmacy Global, and they're $30 each. Okay, so this is 01. Look at this. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take this blush off and let's do some swatches. All right, I'm going to swatch these four right here that have this pattern here really quickly. They are so like smooth, like butter. Oh my goodness. Look at these duochromes. Let me make sure my hand is dry. Stop it. Can you see the shifts? Look at the shifts. So pretty. Look at that. All right, and then I'll swatch the ones that look like that, these ones. Okay, look at this. Gorgeous. And that's what they look like. I tell you what, if you watched the ice cream beauty bag with the new subscription, there's a mixing medium you can get now. I bet you can use that with even these. Any like duochromes or anything like that. I bet you. Sorry, I've been having issues with my back lately, so I'm trying to get comfy. But I bet you this would really make it pop. But they're just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's see what the 02 looks like. Ooh, so this is like darker. Okay, so here's 01, here's 02. So this is definitely darker shades. Okay, let me take this off real quick and I'll start swatching these shades. Again, I'm going to do the four that have these patterns like that, like the ruffles. This is pretty. It's like a greenish blue. Oh no! It happened again! I'm gonna try to hurry up now. So this is what this looks like. Look at this. It's like a bluish green. So definitely this is darker duochromes. Again, and they're very soft, so be careful not pressing. Can't open it. Don't press too hard because they're very soft. All right, so now let me do the other ones. Ooh. Oh, I love that one. Look at this. And there we go. There's the other ones. So pretty. Because I'm so pale, you can't see them too much. Like if somebody, like if my daughter's complexion, you'd probably see the colors a little bit better, you know? All right, let me take that off. And I got to hurry before this fuse goes again. Because this is the last video. I did 3 videos, so. Okay. Then we have 2 more items left. Wow. So then we have Rachel Couture Lip Duo here. This is $22, and this is in the shade Mocha. So here you have the Mocha, and then you have the clear. Okay. So it's taped up, which is good. I love that. Oh, that's pretty. I love these type of shades. And it's the one that goes straight up the doe foot applicator, which I love. I love these. Now, it's a lip gloss, but it definitely has some pigment to it. See, like this will look good over this color, you know? And then you have the clear shade. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. It's just a clear. This is pretty. All right, so we have that. And then last but not least, we have from Illuminati. This is the multichrome gel eyeliner. What shade you be? In Elite. And this is $21. I tell you every month, so I'm not going to keep repeating myself about this brand with the names, but their formula is amazing. If you don't mind, you know, like I really recommend this brand as well. It's just a personal preference. Okay, so this is the eyeliner. Like this. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a grayish blue. Now, we got something like this last month, and it came with a sponge, and I tried it last month, and the sponge just takes it right off. Like, to smudge it, I would not recommend using the sponge. It's too hard. You know, like, your finger would probably be better, or an eyeshadow brush, but that's that. And this would look great with these. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the June box. So let's recap everything that you would receive. So you have palettes 01 and 02. And these are $30 a piece. Then you get the duo. So you get the mocha and the clear, which I love. If I had to pick any shades, it would definitely be this. I love the 90s look, so definitely. Then you get the Ofra blush, which I love. I really like this color. You get the duochrome eyeliner, and you get from a blue base. Remember, I used to always say blue balls, or base blue, it's called. See, I was getting ready. What is it called again? Yeah, base blue. I used to say blue balls. I don't know why. So you get the brush and you get the little mini sponge. So yeah, is this a good box? Like if somebody said, would you give me $25 for this? You're damn right. I love Ice Cream Beauty Box. It is my favorite subscription box. I prefer this over Boxycharm. If I had to choose what subscription, I would definitely say Ice Cream Beauty wins it every single time, in my opinion. I really just love this subscription box. And I'm so excited about the new one. You have to check out my Ice Cream Beauty bag. I don't know which one's going to go up first, but check that one out. I'm telling you, it's amazing. All right, guys, don't forget I have a vlog channel, Just Anne's World. Check that out if you want to get to know me on a personal level. We do all types of vlogs over there. We do car vlogs. I take you shopping with me. I take you to pay bills. We go outside. I show you my yard work. We do walk and talks, table talks, pillow talks, the whole nine. So if that's something you're interested in, check it out. Don't forget to thumbs it up, thumbs it down, and make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps, even if you leave 10 separate ones. It would mean the absolute world to me. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Is knocked out. She can't take the heat. She's just like her mother. Not I said to fly. I need to get you a little sprinkler or a pool and go play. And I'd be playing right with you. My fat ass would be right in there with you. Yes, I would. Bye.